Welcome to the new video. In this video we will be running all the necessary services required for the organization 3. Let's jump into the VS Code and see the run the Docker Compose file. Now this Docker Compose file, it's having 3 services: certificate authority for organization 3, CouchDB for peer 0 org 3, and this is the peer 0. These are the 3 different services. So we have to run. We have already, in the previous video we have already updated org 3 materials in the channel. So org3 is the part of that channel, but that peer did not join yet. So for that we have to run our containers first. Now let's see our all the services. If I am running docker ps, and here you can see almost 15 containers are there, but we don't have org3 any container. Now we will run org3 services. 3 services: CA org3, CouchDB 4, and the peer 0. Let's run this. Add org3.sh. So I'm just running all the necessary services for the organization 3. You can see here we are creating these 3 different services: CouchDB 4, CA, and peer 0 org3. We have created this. Now we can see here. So previously we were having 15 different services in the existing network. Now we have added new 3 containers for the organization 3. Clear docker ps. Let me minimize and see here. Peer 0 org3, there would be peer 0 org3. Yeah, this is the container, and CouchDB 4 is this. This is the container for peer 0 org3 and CA org3. These first 3 services you can see here, these are related to the organization 3. Now our services are up and running. Now we will go inside the container, docker peer 0 org3. Yes. Now we did not join any peer. Let's see. Peer channel list. We can see we don't have any channel join. So now we will join. So we have all the running services for the organization 3. So next step is joining the channel. So for that, so we will set the globals for this organization 3, which are mentioned above. This is the local MSP ID, org3 MSP ID, TLS root certificate. So this certificate will be provided here, and we will be using this crypto config folder certificate only. MSP config path, again provide the admin MSP, and the local peer address 1105. In the Docker Compose file we can see here this peer is running on 0051. Yeah, here. Okay, so the first step will fetch that configuration block, channel my channel.block. So I am commenting this. Before joining we have to fetch that my channel.block, and so it will get added into the channel.artifacts. So right now in the channel.artifacts folder we have nothing. So we are fetching the channel.block and we are adding into the my channel.artifacts folder. Okay, I'm joining the channel. So I'm running this function. So here exactly what we are doing, we are just fetching the my channel.block. Yeah, here you can see we have successfully fetched my channel.block, which having org3 as well in the my channel.block. And what is the next step? We have to join this peer 0 org3 as well. So we are setting the globals for peer 0 organization 3, and we will be joining this peer. As soon as we join this peer, we can see all the data from the other peer will get synced with the CouchDB of this organization as well. So before that we will see, so till now we did not join the peer. Now we will see the CouchDB instance for this new organizations. So here our new instance of the CouchDB for the peer 0 org 3 is running on 9984, and we can see these are the only information available right now. So once we join the channel and we can check this CouchDB. Now I am running this peer channel join and we are providing the block. Yeah, you can see here on the command line, successfully submitted proposal to the join channel. Now what we will do, we'll go inside the container of the peer 0 org 3 and see if that peer has joined channel or not. Docker exec -it peer 0 org 3 yes. So before some time we have already checked this peer did not join the channel, but right now we can check here peer channel list, and you can see here this peer has joined my channel. Now we can see CouchDB instance for this organization, join peer in this channel, existing channel. So at the same time it will start syncing the data from the existing network. So let's see in the CouchDB. Yeah, here you can see 9984. This is the CouchDB 4 port from peer 0 organization 3, and you can see here we did not invoke any transaction, but we have that all the 10 car which we have created when we created the basic network. These are the different cars. The data will get synced automatically. So in this way we can add add new organization, any number of organizations in the existing network. So we have to follow these steps, and so in this way we have followed this. First one is the creating crypto materials. Second one is the generating definition file using config.tx.yaml. Third one is the fetching the configuration block. After that, fourth is the create config update. So once we have created the config update, we have to sign that with the both of the peer organization, with both of the organization admin certificates. Once we sign the certificate, we have to send to the orderer. So after that, once we have submitted successfully, so we have added organization 3 materials in the channel. So the next step is we will run all the containers for the organization 3, like CouchDB 4, certified authority 3, and another one peer 0 org 3. And after that, the next step is fetching the channel block and joining that channel block for the peer 0. After that we can check, we have checked CouchDB, it will get automatically synced, and the next last step is invoking the transactions. So we will do this thing now. In the deploy channel.sh, so here you can see invoke function is already there. Chain code invoke, and here what we will do, we will add another one thing. This yeah, so we will invoke this function. It's having function create car, and it's adding one more car here, car AB, car 1111 we can say, and this car will get added into the organization 3 as well, and in the CouchDB of the peer 0 organization 3. Now we will invoke this function Let me check if we have any uncommented function. Yeah, so we don't have any right now. Only one function is there. It's on the home directory ls deploy chaincode.sh. Here you can see chain code invoked successfully, result is 200, and we can see in the organization peer0 organization 3 cows db. Here right now we don't have that car 111, so we will refresh it and this car will get added here as well. So it means we have successfully added a new organization at the runtime in the existing network. That's it for this video. In case if you are facing any issue, just let me know in the Q&A section so that we can discuss on it.